is enough. For every trouble, there's a blessing. You know, it all depends on how you view things. You may have viewed this as like, oh my God, you know, I'm gonna get rid of the G. But if you have the right mindset, you say, huh, this is a chance to make more content, to learn, and just completely flip the switch and make it a positive thing. And this goes to anything in life. So the plan is to cut here on top and on the side. And then when I have that open, I can just cut the bolt. Look at that. Look how bad it was. Okay, so this is the cut-off wheels that I use. I use the borrowed ones, 4.5/8 and 1/16 thick. Pretty good. Now tomorrow I will get the adapters and install the new. I have to take that to a mechanic. That didn't sound too healthy. You know what I'm talking about? Bought a good one for Dorman. At least for now, you know, just to get it installed properly. Get it on there. The part number I got was 523-304. Brand spanking new. That goes right so. Alright, so this is my setup, my homemade press. Okay, so here is the put on mechanism. Okay, so I have to stop again just to make sure that everything's going well. As you can see, it's starting to stick out here. So I just want to make sure that it's going into a hole and not damaging the bushing. But slowly but surely, I'll do the job. I was close to getting it in, as you can see. But then this happened. Look at that. Okay, so finally the bushing it's on. Now, based on this experience and now that I know the importance of how important are the bushings,
brother, what's that?
I will be exchanging all the bushings on this G on a separate video. Now that that's everything that's out of the way, now we can continue the install. Now this side is going to be easier because everything is already set. Like I know the exact height that I need this.